Moanalua Gardens Foundation continues to make a difference for Hawaii's communities through its award-winning programs. The foundation has carried on their community service by enriching and educating our youth, protecting our aina, and perpetuating our culture, leaving a lasting impact for more than half a century.
The name Kamananui means Valley of Great Spiritual Power. So all of these historical and cultural meanings are preserved when we protect the valley and educate people about the significance of the valley. It's important to protect it because it goes back to ancient times under King Kakuhihewa in the 1600s. He nurtured the arts and it became a center of hula and chanting. For 51 years, we've been a steward of Kamananui Moanalua Valley. And this is an important valley for us and for everyone in Hawaii because it's the last undeveloped valley in all of urban Honolulu. So we use it as a living classroom for our education programs, our Malama Moanalua education programs. And also we help to protect and preserve it through the stewardship programs that we hold in the valley. And it's important that we perpetuate the traditions of stewardship because we have so few open spaces left that our keiki can come and learn about history and nature.